Hey traders, Marcello here, founder of the Day Trading Academy. I wanted to record a little bit of a video showing you guys the offers for today in Santorini, Greece, and to also talk a little bit about how we're able to make money in terms of in a crisis or even a recession, because obviously that's something that's one of the biggest advantages being able to day trade. I want to show you guys the view first. You can see that we're having a little bit of breakfast here with this view, which is absolutely incredible. This is a place called Antelli Suites here in Santorini. I can't describe what it feels like to be able to see this view. When I was 18 years old, my dream was to be able to travel around the world and, more importantly, have my freedom. Not necessarily be a millionaire, but have the freedom and the ability to be able to have enough money to not worry about money, right? To me, it's about quality of life, not the quantity. So to enjoy this view, to day trade and be able to look at this in the morning for me is very, very special, because I've always had this dream. I've been day trading now for 13 years. And whenever we have these kind of situations around the world, I think it's important to be able to talk about the advantages of being able to day trade, because I don't think that most people realize that we're able to make more money in a recession than when times are good. We're able to make more money in a crisis. So right now we're in the Greek crisis, where there's riots in Greece. Whenever there are things that happen around the world where it makes things uncertain, whether it's a financial crisis or a black swan event like a terrorist attack, we're able to make more money trading than when things are good. And the reason why, for you guys can understand, is the fact that when in the summer especially, which is the time that I'm recording this video, it's July right now, but the volume during the summer slows down quite a bit. It's the slowest amount of movement that we see throughout the entire year, because most people go on vacation, especially in the United States and also in Canada, for example. So whenever we have a situation like this where we have a crisis or an event that sparks a lot of interest, we have a situation where the volume and the volatility increases in the market. We have a saying where the market goes up in the stairs, but it goes down in the elevator, which basically means that it goes down a lot faster than it goes up. When there's a crisis, a lot of people are afraid. There's a lot more emotion involved with people losing their money than making it. So people make a lot more rash decisions. People get nervous, and the market goes down a lot faster than it goes up. Because of that, we're able to make a lot more money, because there's more movement, there's more volatility, there's more volume in the market. And for those of you that don't know, beginners watching this video, we're able to make more money when the market goes down than when it goes up. So now is a perfect time to be able to learn how to day trade. I cannot tell you the crisis that is approaching, that we have in the market. We've had a recession every 4 to 6 years. We're approaching 2015, 2016. At the Day Trading Academy, we're expecting the big dip, which is the start of the next crisis, to be in September of 2015. Which is going to be a few months away. We actually talked about that in our stock newsletter as well. So if you guys want to learn how to day trade, whether it's with us or somebody else, I highly recommend you guys start now, only because when that crisis does hit, when that recession does come, we're going to be able to make a lot of money. So it'd be better for you guys to start now than later. So now, guys, I will leave you with this view here in Santorini, Greece. Again, I can't describe to you guys the amazing view that we have, and just let us know if you guys have any questions. Leave a comment here on YouTube, and we'll talk to you soon. Ciao.